Hello friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel that was created to help businesses take easy and convenient ways to accomplish various tasks. If you are for the first time on our channel, please subscribe to our channel so that you can watch all videos in the future. Today's topic is very interesting because we all have faced this issue at some point in our lives. We all use the Microsoft Office suite that offers Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Access, Outlook, and other useful applications. When you change your computer or purchase a new one, an issue arises that there is no Microsoft Office installed with your previous account. Sometimes the vendor gives an already installed MS Office trial version that has all the applications. If Microsoft Office is not there on the new computer, you should visit www.office.com and sign in with your account that has an active Office subscription. After signing into the Office, you will see an option that offers to install Office. It will download all the applications to your system. Click Install Office. The Office applications will start to install. After the successful installation, you will get the message that apps are installed now. Now, all the apps are installed and available for usage. Let us take an example. When you open the Word file, on the top right-hand side, you can see your account. It assures that now your MS Office account is working fine. I hope that this will be helpful when you need to transfer your MS Office to a new computer. If you find any problem with your MS Office applications after installing them on the new computer, you can use Kernel MS Office File Repair Suite. The software will repair the corrupt files of MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Access, and Publisher. The suite recovers MS Office files even after they have become corrupt. Thanks for watching this video and subscribe to our channel to get more such videos. Also, like, share, and comment below. Read the complete information about the MS Office suite on its web page. Have a nice day.